Rolling.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to give you a short demonstration on some of the equipment that we work on slab leaks, how we locate and repair them. There'll be 2 or 3 sections here. It'll be brief sections, but it'll generally give you an idea of what you're looking at and what kind of damage you can expect to find. This right here is our camera. As you can see, we have it on already. And I'm basically going to run this down this piece of pipe for demonstration purposes, and it will give you an idea of how we locate and detect leaks. As we're going down through the pipe. You can tell we're coming up to a place in here in the pipe, and you can see the pipe's not fitted properly. This could mean a lot of problems for you and your foundation. As we take it on down through here, you will see that we're now going around a curve and it's still not fitted properly. Joints like this in your line can mean big problems in your foundation. There again, it's not fitted properly. This will leak water out, removing dirt from underneath your foundation and eventually shifting your foundation on your house, causing tens of thousands of dollars of damage. We specialize in this at our company, and we just kind of wanted to let you know and see what we see when we run down through your pipes at your house. As you can tell, for demonstration purposes, this is just pipe that we've loosely fit together so that you can see what can happen. If we come to your house and we find these kind of deals, we will go into your slab, dig them out, fix them properly so that you have proper drainage and nothing's leaking into your foundation, thereby giving the longevity of your house many years longer than what it would without it. Oh, and when we do come to a leak, let me get back down here, and the way we locate it when we get to a place like this, I know you got to be wondering, well, you run a cable down through there with a camera head on it, but you don't know how far or where you're at. This little thing right here tells us where the head of the camera is. We go across your foundation, we can locate it like this. We know where to mark it on your concrete inside your house, and therefore we don't tear up any more than is absolutely necessary.